Welcome back. In the last class, we have discussed how to convert units of length. Is it clear to all? Okay, then today we will look at mass and time. In the second part of conversion of units, we will look mass at first. As we know, kilogram is the basic unit of mass. Along with it, we use gram, milligram and many other units for our convenience. Let's look how to convert gram to kilogram. We know 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So, to convert kilogram to gram, multiply with 1000 and gram to kilogram divided with 1000. Let's look an example. Convert 5 kilogram into gram. We know 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So, to convert kilogram to gram, multiply with 1000. The value we have is 5. So, 5 into 1000, that is equal to 5000. And look at this question. Our question is to convert kilogram to gram. So, the final unit we have gram. That is 5000 gram. The next question, convert 200 milligram into kilogram. Or the question might be, convert into SI unit. From milligram, you can identify it is the unit of mass. Then you have to find the relation between milligram and kilogram. We know 10 raised to 6 milligram equal to 1 kilogram. So to convert milligram to kilogram, divided with 10 raised to 6. So 200 divided by 10 raised to 6. Cancelling the two zeros, give decimal, then you got 0.0002. And our question is to convert into kilogram. So, the final unit we have kilogram. The answer becomes 0.0002 kilogram. Next conversion we will look at is time. We know the basic unit of time is second. Along with it we use minute and hour. Let's see how to convert minute to second. We know in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So to convert minutes to second, multiply with 60. And to convert second to minute, divided with 60. Our question is to convert 120 seconds to minute. We know to convert second to minute divided with 60. That means 120 divided by 60. That is equal to 2. So, the final answer is 2 minutes. Next question we have, convert 10 minutes to seconds. To convert minute to second, multiply with 60. So, 10 into 60, that is equal to 600. And the unit is seconds, that is 600 seconds. Next is how to convert hour to seconds. We know in 1 hour there are 60 minutes and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So in 1 hour multiply 60 twice, that is equal to 3600 seconds. To convert hour to seconds, multiply 60 twice. And to convert seconds to hour, divided 60 twice. Example. Convert 3600 seconds to hour. To convert seconds to hour, divided with 60 twice. That is divided by 60 into 60. So the value we have is 3600. So 3600 divided by 60 into 60. Cancelling the zeros, you got 36 divided by 6 into 6. Cancelling each other, you got 1. The final unit is hour. So the answer becomes 1 hour. Next question. Convert 2 hours to seconds. To convert hours to seconds, multiply 60 twice. Because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So 60 is multiplied twice. The value we have is 2. 2 into 60 into 60. While multiplying these numbers, you got 7200 seconds. Remember, the final unit is second. Let us summarize the whole conversion of units. The first we have discussed about length. To convert kilometer to meter, multiply with 1000 and meter to kilometer divided with 1000. To convert meter to centimeter, multiply with 100 and to convert centimeter to meter divided with 100. To convert centimeter to millimeter, multiply with 10 and to convert millimeter to centimeter divided with 10. Next quantity is mass. To convert kilogram to gram, multiply with 1000 and to convert gram to kilogram divided with 1000. Next quantity is time. We know in 1 hour there are 60 minutes and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So to convert hours to second, multiply 60 twice and second to hour divided 60 twice. Next conversion. To convert minutes to second, multiply 60. To convert seconds to minutes, divided with 60. So students, I think you got a clear idea about how to convert units. It is very important. Study well. Thank you.